Good afternoon, Sports Center. I'm here live with Arsenal's newest and youngest player, Johan Gaton. Good afternoon, Johan. The fans have been dying for this interview since the transfer period, so let's just start, okay? First of all, how does it feel to be joining Arsenal?
It feels really good. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward for the new challenges, my team, my fans, and the new managerial staff. And I'm really excited, and it's been a perfect decision for me to join Arsenal, and I'm looking forward for it.
From all the clubs trying to get you, what made you choose Arsenal?
I choose Arsenal because they are one of the top clubs in the English league, and the coach is a world-class manager, and a lot of players um, grow here as an individual, and I'm sure that the manager can help me grow as a player.
What about the style of play? How much did that attract you to join this club?
Arsenal are one of the strongest team, and the manager always wants to play attractive and attacking football, so I think I can adapt to it.
The fans have been really excited for this year because they could really think they could deliver trophies for this club. How do you feel about that?
Definitely. In the last few years, Arsenal wasn't that good, and I think that with me as their new signing, I can contribute a lot of assists and set pieces to my teammates, and that can lead to goals, and goals lead to 3 points, and that's all.
Okay, finally, Johan, can you say a message to your fans in Arsenal?
I'm so happy playing for the Arsenal club, and I'm looking forward for the trophies, not only for the league, but also in the European
European Championship.
yes, exactly. And I hope that we can have a successful season, and good team chemistry, and we can win the title at the end of the season.
Well, we wish you all the best in your new club, Johan Gaton.
Thank you.
Thank you and good afternoon.